of the circus in a wonderful show. Singers and clowns, magic and animals too. When you hear the marching band, stamp your feet and clap your hands. Roll up, hurry to see the show. All the fun of the circus in a wonderful show. Singers and clowns, magic and animals too. Buy a ticket, tell your friends the Tilly troupe are here again. Roll up, hurry to see the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Zurriola Theatre. This afternoon we are proud to present our new show. We have magicians, clowns, singers and dancers. First, we have the pleasure to present our fantastic orchestra. Please give them a big hand.
Singers and clowns, magic and animals too. When you hear the marching band, stamp your feet and clap your hands. See the show. All the fun of the circus in a wonderful show. Singers and clowns, magic and animals too. Buy a ticket, tell your friends the Tilly troupe are here again. Roll up, hurry to see the show.
Now our great magician will make the best trick of the ball. do you want to see? Yes. Quiet, please. I need to concentrate. Maggie Rose, a la peanut butter sandwiches! And hey, Preston! The envelope is cut, but the ribbon is not. Maggie!
Thank you, Paul. Now we are happy to present the famous magician Oyane with the magic toothpick. Habita porque...
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my story. Here I have an napkin, an ordinary napkin. Now I'm going to put the napkin on the table. Now I'm going to put the toothpick in the middle. Now I'm fold it and fold it and fold it and fold it. Now I need a volunteer. Is there a volunteer? Me! Me too. show it?
Choose one of the three chairs. Number 1, number 2, or number 3, and sit down, please. Okay, Irati, can you guess which chair the volunteer is sitting on? Are you ready?
Yes.
It's not so difficult.
Silent, please. I need to concentrate. Oh yes, you are sitting in chair number 3. Good lucky.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have an ordinary newspaper. Will you see? With my magic wand, I make the newspaper into the shape of a cone. Like this, and I say the magic word. Focus, focus. I open and I open and I open and I open. I put the water into the newspaper. Magic! The newspaper is right! Now, we are representing the famous magician Asier with the scarf trick. Hábitat por qué? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. I have this beautiful scarf. For this scarf carefully, now I'm going to pass it to my neck. Do you need that? No. Buttons in this. 1, 2, 3. It has only magic. I pass it to my neck. Magic!
What a nice trick. We are happy to present the famous magician I know with the card trick. A big hand for her. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have a pack of cards, not an ordinary one. Now I'm going to take the top card, show it to you. Have you all seen the card? Now I'm going to put it here. And now I'm going to put it at the bottom of the card. We need magic words. Abracadabra, tap, tap, tap. The cards come back to the top of the card. Was this the card?
Ah,
gentlemen, boys and girls, we are sorry to keep you waiting and we have a terrible problem.
Yes, what a disaster. The clowns are all sick with flu. We cannot continue with the show without the clowns. What can we do? Is there any clown in the theater?
Is it anyone here to come to the stage?
Singers and clowns, magic and animals told. Buy a ticket, tell your friends that today's true. We're here again.
Great! So we are happy to present the funniest clowns in the Donostia, Iraceder and Iñaki, with the strongest clown. A big hand for them.
Hello, I am the strongest clown. Look, I lifted 20 kilos.
Hey, don't be shady. I am the strongest clown. And you are.
Oh no, you are not.
Oh yes, I
You are the strongest.
Now we are happy to present the couple of clowns, Oyer and the boy with the silly magic trick. A big hand for them!
Hello, boys. Hello, Ian. Would you like to see a magic trick? Yes, of course. Here I have the small plate, a coin, and the handkerchief. What are you going to do? You put the blade in the handkerchief and the coin on the floor.
Wait next.
This is the most important part of the trick. Now hold the handkerchief tightly, very tightly.
Laudin!
Very good. Now stop the coin 3 times.
2, 3.
What a lovely motorbike you have.
Ha ha ha! Didn't you? I'm going to touch you! Vroom!
Ah!
Ah! Vroom! 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 Great! Next, we are happy to present the funniest clowns in Donostia, Unai and Josu, with the magic biscuit. A big hand for them.
I bet you 10 euros you 10 euros again. Close your eyes. Okay, open your eyes.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can you see the whiskey?
Yes.
I can see the whiskey, but you cannot see the whiskey. So the money is for me.
No, wait, I can see the biscuit too. It's on my head. No, the money is for me. You keep the biscuit.
Woohoo! I never spent 20. Now we are happy to present Gloria and Anaya with the Simon set. A big hand for them! Hello everybody, how are you? Hello, how are you? Look at this. It is fun. Hello, how are you? Yoli, come here. Hello, how are you? Yoli, come here. Yoli, come here. Haha, very funny. Haha, very funny. Stop it. Yoli, then you want to play? Yes, of course. Let's play Simon Says. Sit down. Come on, sit properly. Sorry, go. Simon said, touch your ear. 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 Simon said, back and stand up. Simon said, dance. Hace de je. Ajá, de je. Hace de je. Ajá, je. Hace de je. Sit down. Come here, I'll guide you. Fantastic. Now we are having the funniest clubs in the Austria, Anne, Julen and Ander, with the workshop cleaner. A big hand for them. Yes, my daughter is very dirty. Oh yes, it will. Oh no, it won't. Oh yes, it will. Oh no, it won't. Sheila, give you a demonstration. Yes, please. Anne, come here. Take off that horrible dirty shirt. Here you are. Let's put it in the machine and wash and wait for 2 minutes. Come here, we want a machine. They were all very
singing in the shore, just dancing in the shore. What a wonderful feeling, I don't want to go. Elbows out. I'm singing in the shore, just dancing in the shore. What a wonderful feeling, I don't want to go. Elbows out, knees bent. I'm singing in the shore, just dancing in the shore. What a wonderful feeling, I don't want to go. Elbows out, knees bent, bottom out. I'm singing in the shore, just dancing in the shore. What a wonderful feeling, I don't want to go. Elbows out, knees bent, bottom out, turn around. I'm singing and dancing in the shore.